A warm welcome to all the students of Daud Boy Fazal Boy Primary School. Standard 2nd, subject English, topic Unity is Strength. Good afternoon, students. Now, today we will learn a new topic, that is story time Unity is Strength. Story time Unity is Strength. This is the story of an old man who lived with his 4 sons in a village. The old man was worried. His sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. The old man had tried telling them many times to avoid fighting, but his sons would not listen to him. They would fight for everything. Now, what happened, One day, he called his 4 sons. He gave them a small bundle of sticks and asked them to break the bundle into two. Then, what happened, It is so easy, said the eldest son. He took the bundle and tried to break it. He was surprised that the sticks in the bundle remained unbroken. He used more force. He tried again and again, but the bundle of sticks did not break. At last, he gave up. Then his brothers tried to break the bundle of sticks. They tried hard, but they too could not succeed. Their father smiled and asked them to untie the bundle. Now the sticks were separated. He gave each brother a single stick and asked them to break it. Each of the sons took a stick in hand. In no time, the sticks were bent and broken. A single stick is easily broken. If 4 sticks come together, it is impossible to break them. If you are united, help each other, and live in friendship, you will be stronger than any enemy. But if you are divided among yourselves and keep fighting, you will be as weak as the single stick in that bundle. Remember, united we stand, divided we fall, said the old man, giving his sons a meaningful look. This time, the brothers learned a lesson. They stopped fighting with each other. They started to work together as a team, and that really helped them. Now, at the end, students, what you learned from this lesson? Yes, united we stand, divided we fall. Okay? Thank you, students, and have a nice day. Now here, students, let's we solve some exercises on this topic. So question 1, answer the following questions. Why was the old man worried? So the answer is, the old man was worried because his sons were always quarreling with each other. They would never agree on any point. They would not listen to him and would fight for everything. Now next question, students, second question. What happened when the sons tried to break the bundle of sticks? So the answer is, the bundle of sticks would not break. Third, what happened when the single sticks? Answer, the single sticks broke very quickly. Fourth question, what lesson did the sons learn? United we stand, divided we fall. Now next question, arrange the following words in proper order to make meaningful sentences. First, worried man was older. So the answer is, the old man was worried. Second, everything for fight they would. So the answer is, they would fight for everything. Third, Sticks of the bundle did break not? Answer. The bundle of sticks did not break. Fourth. Easily broken stick a single is? So the answer is a single stick is easily broken. Fifth. Stand, divided, fall, united we weave. United we stand, divided we fall. Now question 1. Find the smaller words hidden in the following words. So the options are: first one, everything; second, friendship; third, separated; fourth, together. Now answer, we have to find the hidden words in the following words. Okay. So in the everything, there are four words: every, thin, very, thin. Second, friendship; friend, ship, send, find. And in third, separated. Hidden words are separate, rate, spare, seat. Fourth one, together. Hidden words are great, greet, there, tith, other. Now question number 4. Read the following sentences. Replace the colored words with new words to form a new sentence. Okay. So first one. The old man was worried. So in that, let's we replace the word old man and worried. So instead of old man, we use young woman, and instead of worried, we use happy. So the sentence is, the young woman was happy. Now second, he took the bundle and tried to break it. So here we have to replace the word he, bundle and break. So instead of he, let's we use she, and instead of bundle, let's we use new word, that is book, and instead of break, let's we use new word read. So the sentence is, the answer is, she took the book and tried to read it. Now next, an old man lived with his 4 sons in a village. So instead of man, let's we use new word farmer. Instead of sons, let's we use new word goats, and instead of village, we use new word, that is cottage. So the answer is, an old farmer lived with his 4 goats in a cottage. Now next, fourth one. This time the brothers learned a lesson. So we have to change blue words, that is brothers and lesson. So instead of brothers, let's we use the word children, and instead of lesson, let's we use new word, that is poem. So the answer is, this time the children learned a poem. Instead of poem, you can use story, tables, like that. Okay, fifth one. He gave them small sticks. So we have to change this blue word, that is he, small sticks. So let's replace the word doctor, 4 apples. The doctor gave them 4 apples. Now the last question, students. Write the words that tell us something about the words at the center. Okay. So let's we talk about man. So man is old, man is young, greedy, careless, poor. So we have to write few words on man. Okay. Now tree. How is tree? Tree is big, leafy, green tree, mango tree, small tree, old tree. Okay. Now third one is flower. How is flower? Flower is pink, flower is lovely, pretty, red, white. So you have to fill the circle. Okay. Now you have to solve these exercises in your English notebook. And at last, students, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.